Good day, everyone. Welcome to our first session on business intelligence and analytics. This course is all about how businesses use data to make smarter decisions, solve problems, and gain a competitive edge. Today, we'll start with an overview of what business intelligence is, why it's important in decision making, and the types of analytics descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid understanding of the foundational concepts of business intelligence. Let's begin with an important question. What is business intelligence or BI? BI refers to the technologies, tools, and processes that organizations use to analyze data and make informed decisions. Think of it as a way to convert raw data into actionable insights. BI systems typically involve data sources where data comes from, like databases or even social media. ETL processes, extracting, transforming, and loading data for analysis. Data warehouses, centralized locations to store clean data, and dashboards and visualizations, which help decision makers understand trends and patterns quickly. For example, a retail company might use BI to analyze customer purchase trends and stock popular items accordingly. Can you think of other ways business intelligence might be useful in a business? Right. BI is used across industries like healthcare, finance, and even entertainment. For instance, Netflix uses BI to recommend shows based on your viewing habits. Now that we understand what BI is, let's discuss its role in decision making. BI supports three types of decisions: strategic decisions. Uh, these are long term and high level, like deciding to expand into a new market. Tactical decisions, this involve resource allocation, such as setting a budget for marketing campaigns. Operational decisions, these are everyday decisions, like restocking inventory or scheduling staff. So let me give you an example. Amazon uses BI to track customer orders, manage its supply chain, and also even recommend products. Without business intelligence, they'd be operating blind and they won't be able to personalize the experience of their customers. Next, let's break down the three types of analytics. These are like the three pillars of business intelligence. First, the descriptive analytics. So this one focus on what has happened in the past. It uses reports and also dashboards to summarize historical data. For example, a company might create a monthly sales report to see how revenue has changed. And second one is predictive analytics. This is about forecasting the future. It uses statistical models and machine learning to predict what's likely to happen. For instance, we can predict which customers are likely to cancel their subscriptions. And the third one, prescriptive analytics. This goes one step further. It tells you what actions to take. It uses optimization techniques and AI to recommend the best course of action. For example, recommending price adjustments to maximize profit. That's an example of prescriptive analytics. So here's a quick example to illustrate the differences. Descriptive, an example of that is um, our sales increased by 10% last quarter. So it describes, no? Based on the data, it describes something. For predictive, we have here an example, prediction of customer churn or sales growth. So, another example is sales are expected to grow by 15% next quarter. So, it is predicting the future. So, before I finish, let's recap today's session. Business intelligence is all about using data to make better decisions. And BI supports strategic, tactical, and operational decisions across various industries. The three types of analytics: descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. Those help businesses understand the past, the forecast the future, and decide on the best course of action. Next week, we'll dive deeper into how data is stored and processed in business intelligence systems, specifically focusing on data warehousing and ETL processes.